same, I just call it in a different way. So this makes my web application very robust and independent from the way it's actually being deployed afterwards. Having a built-in web server makes testing much easier because I don't need a web server on the machine where I'm writing this. I can just test my application out of the box without getting involved with Apache or any other tool. And it's all documented. Unfortunately, getting used to sort of delve into the ideas of how this application framework works. But once you understand that, you find that all bits are documented. It's just sort of that initial jump in order to get the lay of the land and figure out how things work together, which, at least when I started to learn, it was a bit of a problem. At the moment, there are now several introductory documents which get it started. And yeah, it's sort of, to an extent, a one-man show. This Sebastian Riedel, who wrote this, takes responsibility for it all. He's not the only one doing code for it, but if you find a bug and you get onto IRC and tell him, he feels very much responsible for immediately fixing this bug. It's all on GitHub, so you can download it, you can fork it, you can push changes to the main author to get it integrated. It's very, very live. There are new releases about every week of this package. Doesn't mean that the releases are not there because there are lots of bugs. It's just that he adds new features all the time. He tests new things like WebSockets and comment structures. There's a website called Mojolicious, mojo.us, and it has lots of documentation. All the documentation is included in the project. So if you go to CPAN, search and find Mojo there, you find the same documentation also at CPAN. It's all written in Spark. Okay, a little Mojo demo. One of the big problems with these frameworks is you have to get started somehow. And Sebastian's idea of getting started is that you use a start template. So you tell Mojo to compile for you a package contains